Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways.
Today, in the time of vulnerability, monetary security and the speed of exchanges are vital for the development of economies. At last, everything reduces to a carefully designed and profoundly secure structure that could be useful to inputting away as well as re-establishing all information on the blockchain-empowered stage where in any event, exchanging could be worked with alongside quicker installments and exchanges, say such countless them in the glimmer of a second. And all disposing of the job of go-betweens, a consequence of hard and impeccable work. Before we start with a definite Avalanche cost forecast, we should plunge into the coin's outline. The overview of Avalanche. A seed thought that was conceptualized by Cornell researcher Amin Gunsire in September 2020 for the most part putting together the stage with respect to blockchain calculations principally to resolve the issues of sped-up, decentralization, and security. With this sort of strong blockchain innovation, Avalanche will go about as a huge power sponsor demonstrating progressive in the realm of installments. As an impetus to empower quick-fire exchanges in the worldwide installment environment, Avalanche will carry extremist change to back. Torrential slide is completely viable with Ethereum resources, applications, and apparatuses with quicker speeds, higher throughput orders, and lower expenses. It is an umbrella stage for sending off DeFi applications, resources, exchanging, and different administrations for blockchain engineers. It permits anybody to send off or exchange any type of resource and control it in a decentralized way utilizing savvy contracts and other trend-setting innovations. The urgent separation among Avalanche and other blockchain stages is its administration instrument. Marking rewards are dependent upon dynamic changes as the framework develops. Torrential slide, AVAX, the inherent potential. Without a doubt, Avalanche has incredible potential and will quite often be the most appealing digital money, basically for its local token, Avax, which guarantees high exchange security combined with speed scaling a trillion every second. No big surprise the always dynamic group of qualified mathematicians and cryptographers is creating and keeping up with the Avalanche digital money. Arising as an incredibly unique and lively power, Avax will be the pick and selection of dealers, particularly in light of the fact that it has endured for an extremely long period. Likewise, financial backers have found a component of dependability implanted in this token. The badge of Avax capabilities as a prizes and installment framework for clients. Torrential slide, AVAX, the community and partnerships. The primary point of the Avalanche people group isn't to lead exclusively on the development way. The Avalanche people group is humming about its achievements and gigantic commitment, particularly after Avalanche opened an Ali testnet. It approved the Force of Avalanche agreement and light design that offers more even-handed investment rather than costly equipment. Being recorded on prominent cryptographic money trades like Coinbase and Binance, Avax offers its brokers a protected and reliable stage and empowers lesser expenses and a plenty of computerized resources for single out from. Torrential slide has additionally marked a settlement with different biological systems like Chainlink, Bilira, and so forth, taking its forceful mechanical drives to a higher level. The essential objective behind organizations is to fabricate a philanthropic local area around the world, in this way making an equivalent, economical, and decentralized world. Aside from these discussions, Avax has made further improvements in its organization and its acknowledgement all over the planet. On June 10, 2022, Japan's top crypto trade OKCoin recorded Avax. Merchants and financial backers are good to go for the Formula E race end of the week. Aside from this, the Avalanche establishment has likewise sent off Multiverse. This new motivating force program will uphold new biological systems, NFTs, DeFi, as well as institutional use cases. Adding to this rundown, Kalau has likewise held hands with Avax to fabricate items for NFT brokers and makers. This will assist them with encountering NFTs in new frictionless and easy ways. In conclusion, one of the greatest combination is that of Chia Link Keepers and Chainlink YRF coordinating with the essential organization of Avalanche. This coordination will be useful for the token as it will decrease the responsibility and upgrade the uptime and security of the shrewd agreements. Torrential slide forecast, 2022 to 2026. The digital money value expectation is dependent upon the exhibition of the individual symbolics foundation, its progressions, and the whole crypto market status. One can never know the specific future exhibition of any token. That being said, specialized examination and different perceptions take care of business as a guide simultaneously. The Avalanche cost estimate is additionally the subject of totally various perspectives. The ongoing cost of Avax is $16.78, with a market capitalization of $4,715,038,083. The 24 hours exchanging volume of the Avax token is $1,316,035,590, with a coursing supply of 280,981,800.04 Avax on the lookout. Avax digital currency is greatly dependent on decentralized applications remaining in front of other state-of-the-art advancements and the current decentralized blockchain networks for which the Avalanche conjecture is absolutely subject to showcase development. A blast time for Avalanche, Avax, drives the value estimate to remain legitimate on this record before long. Made by Ava Labs, this coin has endured over the extreme long haul. So it is essential to realize that Avalanche's cost rise is sure in the approaching 5 years. Be that as it may, carry out your own analysis to measure your gamble resistance. Torrential slide price prediction 2022. As indicated by Avax cost expectation, taking into account there are no unexpected shocks or a stony way forward for digital currency markets after this malicious May, Avalanche is good to go to certify areas of strength for it as a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. With financial backer certainly blasting, according to specialized examination, the Avax cost could have a typical worth of $23. The following bullish conjecture feeling for Avalanche, Avax, is assessed to reach $45 by December and will keep on becoming about plus 23%, ascending to $47. It appears to be the normal greatest and least cost can lift up $47 and $14, individually, all year long. The profoundly unstable opinion is probably going to go on the following year, seeing the latest thing. Torrential slide price prediction 2023. Torrential slide has laid out a quick, dependable organization and works with the client experience of the item. These elements can assist the Avax with begetting gain a lot greater cost of $55 per coin. If the drive for useful crypto go on into 2023, the cost might try and see a worldview rush according to our Avax cost expectation.